Hi everybody, Robert here with more Revit Precast training, and in this exercise we're going to look at our double T's that we just placed in our last video. And so what we'll do here, we're going to put some reinforcing in these double T's like we did the beams, and then we're going to create a piece ticket. Now when I look at these double T's, thank goodness we've got our custom double T. And we can make some adjustments here because these look a little thin. So I'm going to grab this one here. I'm going to right click and I'm going to select all instances in project. So now over in the properties, since these are specialized custom double T's that does a lot of, it's a smart one. I'm going to go down here. We can adjust the leg lengths. But here I want to change the slab depth. It's just too thick, so I'm going to push this up to 4 inches. I mean, it's kind of thick, but I just want to use this to show you how. Okay, good. Now all of those went up. Now let's just take a look at the leg. Say we want to push the leg up 6 inches. We can do that as well. Let's see, 2 feet. Okay. Yeah, I think it was best we kept it at about 2 feet. That way it'll look good in our 3D view under the bottom here. Let's see. Yeah, and then we got some coping going on here too. Geez, I probably need to show you that while we're in this view. But, okay, so I'll look under here. I might want to cope these. I'll do that later, but let's go back to our section view here. So now we've got our double T's a little thicker on the top. So now let's go and add some reinforcing here. Again, I'm not an engineer, I'm just guessing this. So let's go grab this one here. Let's go to structure, rebar. And then here are all of my shapes over here. This S4 might be good for the double T. So I'm going to just take this one and I'll make him parallel to cover. And I want to make him maximum spacing. And then I want to space this guy out at, say, 6 inches. And then we'll place it so now you see the dotted lines is covered. So basically for this shape, I would just bring it down here and snap it in like that. Now I'll do another one over here. And then I'll go and I'll probably take some straights, disguise them as strands, I guess. I want to do a single here. Just a single strand, and I want it perpendicular to cover. I want to just put one there. Just guessing this now, one about there. Okay, now, next I want to take these and go perpendicular, but this time I want to go to maximum spacing, and I'm going to go every 4 inches here. And I'll drop this guy right about, put him right about there. And then let's go in the other direction here. Let's make this 6 inches. Okay. And we'll put it right about there. Now you can change the cover. And we can modify these a little bit. So I'm going to grab this guy here and I'm going to do some, I'm going to pull this down slightly there. Same with that one. Just drag the little dot down, basically right about there. Okay, I'm not gonna spend too much time on this. Just want to show you just one and do the rest. So I'll grab this guy here, adjust it down to there. Again, you know, it's up to the engineer how they want to reinforce this as far as bar size, number, and everything here. Okay. So now, once we have our reinforcing in and everything, let's go into our 3D view here, see what's going on here. So there's our double T that we reinforced. So now what we'll do, we'll go in our wireframe, and I'm going to take this guy and I'm going to create an assembly here. So, and here to the left, I want to hit add, and these are going to add my elements to this particular assembly. So I'm going to grab everything in here, hit the control, and you'll notice I'm picking things up when they turn green. I pick that up. I pick the double T up. Now, do I have everything? I think I do. Wait a minute. I'm missing something in there. Okay, I'm going to just finish this. We'll call this double T. And we'll say OK. And then we go back into our project browser, all the way down, and there's our double T. So I'm going to right click. I'm going to create these assembly views. I'll just take them all, and then I want to add a sheet here. I think we might want to go with a kind of want to use 11 by 17. Let's see what this looks like. Okay. So now these are our views that are just opened up right here. I'll expand this, and there's our sheet. What kind of sheet do we get? I don't particularly like that sheet. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to just knock that down. And I'll go grab me another sheet. Now let's just undo this back here. I'll just load a new one here. And I'll go into my, just move this up a little bit to title blocks. And we'll get I like 11 by 17 for this. And I say OK. So now I should have my views. My 3D view. I think I did get all my reinforcing, which is great. My parts list. My elevation top. Okay, so now let's just go get the sheet together here. I'm just give you a general layout. So we always want our 3D view here. And we'll put her there. We'll activate that view, and we might want to downsize the scale a little bit. Just bring this down to 3/8. Yeah, that's good. Let's move this up over in the corner here. Now we'll need a section view here. See what that is. Definitely need that. Front and back. Okay, so pretty much we'll go here with our front. And then I want to activate this view. And may want to put this at, we can leave that at 1/2 inch scale. And then now here I want to go in here and I want to change this to find so we can see what's going on here. Okay. We'll move that guy maybe there. I'm going to right click, activate this view, and I'm going to just go select this, hide in view. I'm going to, okay, do hide in view, that category. I want to deactivate this now, and I'm going to just move this over here somewhere. I think this should be a little bigger, I think, because we don't have that much on this sheet. Oh, that is bigger. Let's go to 3 3/4 of an inch. Yeah, that section's got to be big. Okay, now we'll put that there. That's our front. And then we want to get a left side view. Let's do it right. And then we'll do this again. Right click, hide in view. Category. And the same as here, we'll make this fine. This is fine. And there you can see the reinforcing in there that we put. Now this one, let's see, we might want to show this realistic. So it's all coming together here now. And then here we want to get our typical dimensions in. What's going on here? Let's see what's happening here. Okay, cancel, activate view. I want to just fix this scope box a little bit. Okay, now I want to go here and add dimensions here. So if I can find that edge, can I get it? There you go. That's our 8-footer. And then we'll do our, we changed that to 4. And we changed our leg to, we took 6, there it is, right. Okay, so went from 24 to 30. I mean, you can, same thing here, you can just take this throughout. These are pretty typical dimensions, and then on this view, go back to this view, deactivate him, turn this guy off. Okay. So this is pretty basic stuff, folks. You know, you might want to finish this off. And like I said, don't try to build this. Now let's go look at this view right here. Again, just some basic dimensions here. I'm trying to, this is 19, and wow, this is pretty long. I'm trying to think what else do I need here. Get this here. Now, let's do some annotation stuff here. Let's go in and get our material takeoff. material takeoff here. It's 95 cubic feet of concrete, and then let's do our part list, showing our rebar that we're using here. Just drop it off here, pull that over a little bit. Okay, now, so this is basically all you need here for a double T. We can go and tag some of these rebar now. We're going to activate this view, and I want to tag, annotate, tag all, tab. Okay, you see, I don't want that. Okay, I don't have a tag for the rebar, so I'm going to load one now. Okay, so I may leave it there. It'll be in the annotations. Yep. Structural tags. There you go. And we'll go for some rebar tag. I'm gonna go open that. Probably didn't really need a tag because we got it. You're showing it here, but I'm gonna leave it there, guys. So this is how you do the double T's, and then okay, we need to show the top of this. Well, I'm gonna leave it there, folks. Thanks for watching this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe. So we did a whole precast building. We used wall panels, double T's, wet slab, inverted T's. So hey guys, thanks for watching my video. Appreciate it, everybody. And I'm gonna push that up there. And hey, I'm gonna leave it there to the next video. So that's how you do a double T piece ticket. I mean, very basic. I'm sure we need to show the top view of this. Let me see if I find one. Elevation top. There it is. That's the main piece. So let's go back to our sheet. Okay, we're going to have to do some things here now. Let's just do some rearranging here and maybe change some scales. So we need to get our top piece in here somewhere. And I'm going to activate this view. And I want to scale this down to, actually, let me see if I can do 3/8 here as well. Yeah, that might work. Again, activate view, hide all these things. Oh, she got them all. Okay, so now we're going to deactivate this and move them over here now. I'm not sure how they would do that. I think maybe that would go there. Oh yeah, it's got to be dropped down. Let's go to 1/4 inch. That's better. But I think that section, thought double T would be easy. Because yeah, you gotta have the top view on it. You gotta show how to tie the rebar. You need a 3D view, so I'm gonna activate this view and I'm gonna shrink them down. That's good, 3/8. Okay, my parts list. slide this over here. So I think you all get the idea here. So I'm going to leave it here and see what's this. Make this 3/8 activate view. So I'm going to see who comes up with the best sheet layout, and we'll put it on here next. So hey folks, for real, I'm leaving it here. So there you go. I think you might want to do something like this here. Get a little creative, and that's it. This is 1/4. I want to leave that at 1/4. So guys, this is it. This is our piece ticket for our double T. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Everybody, please subscribe. Bye. Be safe.